Good morning all. How are you? Are you okay? Hope you all are safe at home. How many of you know me? Yes, I am your Lakshmi Miss. We are here after a long vacation. Again, a new academic year has been started. Due to the current pandemic situation, we have to continue virtual education. I hope you are familiar with this type of online education. So, if you have any doubt, you can ask directly or through phone. Okay, so clarify your doubt clearly. And in Google Meet, we can clear more doubts. And I will help you. Okay, don't worry. And in this year, science is divided into 3: physics, chemistry and biology. I am going to take subject chemistry. Okay, so in your textbook, almost 18 chapters are there. From there, we can study only 5 chapters in chemistry portion. Okay. For in chapters included in chemistry, first chapter 3, synthetic fibers and plastics, and chapter 4, materials, metals and non-metals, and chapter 5, coal and petroleum, and chapter 6, combustion and flame, and at the last chapter 18, pollution of air and water. These chapters are included in chemistry portion. Other chapters are physics and biology. Okay. So, let us introduce our first chapter. First means in chemistry, chapter 3, synthetic fibers and plastics. Okay. The fibers, fabrics and fibers. In 6th standard, you studied fibers and fabrics. Some examples also. Okay. And from that we can understand that clothes we wear made up of fabrics, and these fabrics obtained from fibers. Okay, fabrics obtained from fibers. These fabrics are obtained from natural sources or artificial sources. Okay, can you think about some examples? Yes, cotton, jute, wool, silk, all are examples of natural resources. And an examples of artificial fibers, yes, nylon, rayon, all are included in artificial fibers. Clear? So, we are used these fibers for many household articles. And you just try to separate which are natural resources and which used synthetic or artificial resources. Table 3.1 in your textbook. You just find out more examples and fill up that table. Clear? So, simply we can say natural resources. That means natural fibers are actually from animals and plants. Natural resources like cotton, wool, silk, etc. from where? Plants or animals. You know all these things. And artificial fibers or man-made fibers, synthetic fibers. From where? By human beings. That's why called man-made fibers. Clear? And all these are only introductory part. Mainly two types of resources. Fibers we get from natural resources and from artificial resources. Then next, what are synthetic fibers? Synthetic fibers. What are synthetic fibers? And just you recall a uniform pattern of a necklace. In that, beads are joined together with the help of a thread. Just like this. These are the beads joined with a thread. Uniform pattern of a necklace. Okay. And paper clip also we can do like this. We can join it together. It's a long chain. And in the same way, synthetic fibers are a chain that made up of a small units. It's a long chain made up of a small units. That small units actually chemical substances. Okay. Synthetic fibers are long chain, is made up of a small units. Actually, these small units are chemical substances. A small units combine to form a long chain. We can say polymer. These words derived from two Greek words, poly and mer. Poly and mer. Poly means many and mer means unit or part. Unit or part. Clear? Polymer. Polymer is a Greek word. Such small units combine to form a large unit called a polymer. Small units combine to form a large unit called a polymer. It's very important. Okay. And it is derived, the word derived from a Greek word polymer. Poly means many, mer means unit or part. For example, cotton is naturally occur polymer. Cotton. Example. And is a polymer of cellulose. Is a polymer of cellulose. Cellulose is made up of a small glucose units. Okay. Cellulose is made up of a small glucose units. And these are the example of a polymer. Okay. Next, types of synthetic fibers. You already know nylon and rayon are the examples of synthetic fibers and how it obtained. That will discuss in next class. So, today we just understand about fabrics obtained from fibers, Fibers are made up of fibers obtained from natural and artificial resources. Examples of natural resources: cotton, silk, wool, etc. And example of synthetic fibers are rayon, nylon, etc. And natural fibers are obtained from plants and animals. And artificial fibers are made up of human beings. And the word polymer. Synthetic fibers are a long chain made up of a small units, combined to form small units. Okay. What is polymer? The polymer is derived from two Greek words and examples of natural polymer. That means cotton. Okay. So you study the, you just read the text first, the only very small portion given today, and doubt will clarify. If you have any doubt, we can clarify in Google Meet, or any you can ask me directly. Okay, no problem. Today very simple topic is a introduction part only, and next portion we will take on next day. Okay, thank you.